Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to get the system platform. It is pretty easy. First, we are going to import sys, and then we are just going to use print and pass in a systems platform and just save it and run our script. And we can see over here it printed Linux 2, so I'm running Linux system. If we are installing or using some module and want to check if that is compatible with our system, we can do that too. I will just comment this line. I will just remove it and define a function. Def check underscore compatible, and then we can pass in platforms that we are looking for. It should be one of these platform compatible, so it's gonna be platforms or set to window 32 and Linux 2 and Darwin. And then our module name set to none, initial value, and this method will verify that a module is compatible with the host platform. It takes compatible platforms as a parameter, and the second parameter is the name of the module. So first I'm going to import, I already did import this, so I'm going to check if sys dot platform in platforms that are passed into this function, then we are going to return true. If our platform matches with the platform passed over here, then we are just going to return it true. Else we are just going to print module is not compatible. Need a single code over here. And just concatenate our sys dot platform with now we can just call this function. I will just copy from here and up to the end. And let's go and paste it over here and remove this one and pass in it to print function so we can print the return value. And over here we can pass some module name such as sys. So we are checking the module sys, and we require that our system should meet one of these platforms, and this method over here, the above that we implemented, will check for the platform, and if matches the supported platform for that module, then it will return true. So just gonna save it and run our script. And here we get the true value. For example, to keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Asimcode. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching. There's a spelling mistake over here. I will just fix it. T is missing. Thank you.